Welcome to Module 3 Fundamental Analysis Part 1. Lesson 1 Introduction to Fundamental Analysis. Welcome to Module 3. In this module, we will explore fundamental analysis, a crucial approach to understanding the Forex market by analyzing economic, social, and political factors that influence currency prices. Fundamental analysis complements technical analysis and provides valuable insights into long-term market trends. Key points to cover. Definition of fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis is a method of evaluating the intrinsic value of a currency based on economic, financial, and geopolitical factors that affect its supply and demand. Fundamental analysis helps traders make informed decisions about the long-term direction of currency pairs. Factors influencing currency prices. Economic indicators. Economic indicators play a crucial role in influencing the Forex market as they provide valuable insights into the health and performance of a country's economy. Traders and investors closely monitor these indicators to make informed decisions about their Forex trades. Let's explore how each of these economic indicators can affect the Forex market. Gross Domestic Product, GDP. GDP is a measure of the total value of all goods and services produced within a country over a specific period. A strong GDP growth indicates a robust economy, which can lead to increased foreign investment and a higher demand for the country's currency. Consequently, the currency's value tends to appreciate. On the other hand, a shrinking or contracting GDP may lead to a decline in the currency's value. Let's proceed in the next slides.